week I'm testing the Mercedes Benz GLA with my family, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Number 1 is I can open and lock the doors from any door with the key remotely on my person, which means when I come to the car and when I leave it, I've got my arms full of kids and all their stuff. I don't have to fumble around in my bag for the key. Number 2 is the fantastic cameras. It's got different images and different angles you can view it from. Really lovely and crisp and clear image, and you can turn the parking sensors on and off up here. Number 3 is the drive. The GLA is a lovely and nippy fun little car to drive. Also with the dynamic button in the central console, slip it into sports mode once you drop the kids off, and it's really good fun. I've loved driving the GLA this week with my family. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.